Good afternoon, class 9. Let us start our new lesson, Public Participation. Public participation is the most important infrastructure of development. The government alone cannot look after the development throughout the country. It needs the help and support of the public. The involvement of public or citizens in development projects or programs launched in the communities is known as public participation or citizens' participation. Public participation or citizens' participation helps in project understanding and reduces public opposition. Now let us look at the meaning of public participation. Public participation or citizens' participation is defined as any process that directly involves the public in problem solving or decision making and uses public input to make decisions. Okay, it means when any project or program is launched in the community or is to be launched in the community, there is discussion among the community members about their needs in the society. The community members prioritize their needs in the order and at last come to the conclusion. The conclusion of the meeting is on the basis of local needs. So, everybody is in the favor of implementation of the project. When there is discussion about the priorities, community members, irrespective of caste, grades, genders, minority groups, etc., take part actively. Take the example, the community members have to choose between three needs in the society. 1. Establishment of library or installing a water tank or upgrading upgrading gravel road to paved road. Among these three, which one do you think the community members will choose? Of course, they will choose the second option, that is installing a water tank. You may be thinking why? It's because regular water supply is the basic need of human being. When the three needs are prioritized, water supply comes first. So in this way, public participation in development work helps the communities to develop on the basis of the demand of the citizens or on the basis of the need of the community. Now let us talk about the importance of public participation. When there is public participation, development works that is done is launched according to the need of the community. Public participation minimizes the cost of the project. When development activity is launched with public participation, community members volunteer themselves in the work. The money to be paid to the laborers for work could be saved, and the saved money could be utilized for the development of another project. Public participation paves way for proper utilization of local resources. When there is public participation in development activities, the skills of different community members can be utilized in the project. Their skills also enhances. On the other hand, locally available goods could be used. For example, for constructing a water tank, community members can bring pebbles from nearby river in Doko and minimize the cost for buying pebbles. Public participation boosts up mutual understanding and harmony among the community members. When there is public participation in development work in the community, community members become close to each other. They understand each other and mutual cooperation arises between them, which fosters unity among community members. Public participation fosters the sense of ownership for the project. When citizens decide the project to be launched in their community, they feel the sense of attachment toward the project. They labor hard to complete the work on time. They even become aware about using quality materials in the project so that the project launch will remain for a long period of time. Public participation brings transparency in the work done. When there is public participation in development work, there is transparency in the work done. No community members want any corruption in the budget allocated for their project, so they remain aware about the estimated budget, cost for different materials used, and money to be paid for laborers. And as a result, the estimated budget and expenditure match or could not match can be evaluated easily by the community members to find out the loopholes. Public participation removes disparity in development. When there is public participation in development activities, no areas of our country remain undeveloped. With joint effort of government and public, nooks and corners of our country could be developed. Let us look at the another importance of public participation. Public participation decreases the pressure on government for development of infrastructure in the country. When citizens help government in different development works inside the country, the burden of government decreases. The government does not need to think much about the development of basic infrastructure by itself. Rather, it can focus on launching mega projects and programs for economic prosperity of the country. So, public participation is a key to sustainable development. It is also regarded as a way of empowerment in democratic governance. So, the developing country like Nepal should extensively adopt the policy of public participation to speed up the development process.
Yes, quiz time. Number 1. What is the other name of public participation? Number 2. Filling the blanks. Public participation the cost of the project. 3. Give two advantages of public participation. I hope you will write down the answers of this question in the comment section below.
Here are few questions for practice. Define public participation. Write a letter to your friend about the importance of public participation in 200 words. Thank you.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. If you haven't checked out our other videos, it's in the description below.